how to set 3D wallpaper on iOS 26. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go to your home screen and swipe down from the top left of your screen. You will be led to the notification center. Here, tap hold on your screen and you will then see the option for customize. So tap on the plus icon beside the customize option you see there. Now go ahead and select the image that you want to add as 3D wallpaper. Here, make sure to pick an image with distinct subject or background contrast. Now, after selecting the image, look for the hexagon icon or special scene toggle button on the customization interface. Tap on that icon, and if the effect is supported for that image, then you will see a preview of that effect. And if the hexagon or toggle is disabled or not visible, then the image is likely incompatible for that particular effect. You can then go ahead and crop or adjust how the photo fits and add widgets, pick color for your clock, font, etc. Finally, tap on the Add button on the top right of your screen, and with this, the 3D effect wallpaper will be added. You can now lock your phone and then go ahead and tilt or move it slightly foreground, and it should shift differently than the background, giving a subtle depth effect. And if you see the motion, this means that you have successfully added the 3D wallpaper. So this is how you can set 3D wallpaper on iOS 26. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.